Friday. Thank you for joining me. Guess what? Yesterday was such a beautiful day. It was sunny and breezy and beautiful, and it was warm. I'm like, let's go in the swim spa. And it just so happened that my daughter stopped by from college, and she's like, yeah, let's totally go in. It's warm. So we went out there, we cranked our tunes. It was around lunchtime. We ordered Panera and just enjoyed soaking in the hot tub. We've lowered the temperature, so it's almost like pool water. So it was perfect, and we had the jets going, and it was wonderful. Got the pool noodles out, and we're just kind of like floating. And can you believe that by the time I got out, I thought I had been out there 2 hours? No! Guess how long I was out there for? Both of us. 5 hours. 5. When I got out, I'm like, ouch. I'm like, ouch. Like my arms were hurting. And look, I am a tomato. I've actually toned the face down. If you saw how red I really am, you would be like, whoa. Yeah, so now you know why I'm a tomato. It's Friday. I'm gonna keep this fast and furious and simple. Let's get into it. We're working right here. Let's add a mirror. Now I'm sure that you guys saw that I covered an outlet. It's totally fine because I've got an outlet over there and I've got one over there. So this one really isn't needed. So when I decorate with mirrors, I will sometimes use it just as a mirror. More times than not, I use a mirror as a backdrop. I'm using it because I like the decorative frame, or I like the beveled mirror portion of it. And then I just go in and layer. So that's what I'm going to do next. I love using these shutters, especially in spring and summer, because it gives the house sort of a cottagey, French country look, in my opinion. And normally when I have a shutter, what do? I usually have, more times than not, a little tack right here. And that allows me to attach a wreath seasonally, a sign, a basket, whatever it is that I want to attach. It's simple and easy. So baskets are a great way to go in and add a little bit of texture and warmth. And all I'm going to do is hang it on that tack onto the shutter. But what am I going to put in this basket? I'm not going to do like floral stems and all that, although that would be gorgeous. What I'm going to do is keep it really simple and just add a seasonal wreath, a wreath for summer. And so here is this beautiful wreath. As you all know, I am in full force lemon mode. So I naturally want something that's going to carry through with the yellow and the pops of green. So all I'm going to do is sit this in the basket and hang it. So isn't that cute? So what I have here is a layered look, a beautiful traditional beveled mirror. To that, a rustic shutter, basket, adding a little bit of texture, and to that, I'm adding my pops of color, bringing in a seasonal wreath for summer. Okay, next I'm bringing in this rather large lantern. And so what I'm going to do is set this over here, and then I'm going to add a plant to the inside of it. Going in with a little more texture, I found this plant at Home Centric. I love the woven basket, and I'm gonna put that inside the lantern. know, I love adding little architectural details, whether it's something sculptural, whether it's something scrolly like this, whether it's an arched half round decorative piece that goes above a mirror. To me, it draws your eyes up, it adds visual interest. And I really love this. This is from Hobby Lobby, but I thought, I love the colors. This will bring in the color of the basket and the lantern, and this kind of picks up the color in the shutter. So I'm not hanging it on the wall. I'm simply going to take it to the top of the mirror and lean it. You'll see. Don't you think that embellishment gives it way more character? I certainly do. What do I always say? Let there be light. We need to add a lamp for ambiance. I love the detail on the lamp base because it gives a very sculptural sort of look. But anyway, we're gonna set this right here. I had this wooden bowl that I got on Amazon, and I stuck 2 boxwood balls on the inside, so it looks like this. Okay, next I have this beautiful glass and wood candle holder. I'm going to set this right here. Next, I have this candle. I believe it's called Innis. It says the energy of the sea, and I purchased this off Amazon, and it was recommended by Debbie from Your Home, Your Happy Place. It smells wonderful. It smells really, really good. So I'm gonna set that on the candle holder. Here, I haven't really done much except I added that little mirror right there from Amazon. Added some little yellow flowers. Nothing's different down there. And I don't believe I changed anything. Oh, I did add that mirror. I had a set of 2. But super cute, very simple. And that's the final look. Okay, next, you guys may remember we just did these blooming lamps in a spring look and feel. And I did make some changes because the pinks and the purple were not meshing with my yellow lemon and lime theme. So I changed it just to refresh your memory. What I had up there previously were these shutters. They're sort of a beige color, and I accidentally ordered them shorter than I needed. So I decided I wanted to go with a darker, deeper color. So I went with black. And so I got larger ones. Guys, these shutters are so fun to decorate with around your home. You can virtually change the whole look of a space simply by adding shutters. And if you're into sort of the cottage, farmhouse, French country look, you can do a lot with these. But anyway, let me show you the size difference. So these are a little bit bigger, and I'll share why I wanted black. So you guys may remember I got these at Hobby Lobby. I liked them because they're great to use as little architectural pieces around your home. When I put these two together, the white pops as opposed to this. I mean, it looks nice, I love it, but it really pops on the black. Now, you may remember I had that beautiful spring wreath that my friend Lucy gave me hanging there. I replaced it for a darker, deeper pop of green, and then I took down the garland that was up there, and honestly, I'm just loving the grapevine with the light. And as I stated, I pulled out the purples and the pinks, and I just left the yellow and green in here, and I really like it with my lemon and lime theme. Now we're going to carry the lemon theme over here. All right, friends, well, that will wrap up my video for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you guys next week. We will most likely be working in the family room. We moved the big, large white chairs and the white sofa out, and we brought down a sectional that was upstairs. And then I added new pillows and a new throw blanket, and we're gonna decorate the shelves and the mantle. So that'll probably be next week. So I wanna wish you all a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for all of your wonderful comments. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry I didn't get to respond to Wednesday's comments, but I've had family coming and going. So I've been focused on them, but I thank you so much. I've read every single comment. We'll see you guys next Wednesday. Mwah. Bye, guys.